So today, we're going to be discussing influencers on YouTube, really diving into that topic. And obviously, this is, the very first video of this particular style, where I'm actually going to be sharing my own personal opinion. What I've been observing lately, and this is something I've really noticed, is that the older influencers, and I'm not talking about like a specific person like Dange here, but rather people who have been active for a considerable amount of time, who have been in the crypto market for quite a while, they seem to have lost that initial joy or that spark, that original flame that got them started. And you can probably understand what I mean by that sentiment. What I've been hearing, especially within the last 24 hours or so, is this idea that AI agents, specifically, were just a temporary fad, a fleeting trend, something that initially caught the eye, a shiny object, and that you shouldn't really go in that direction. Now, let me be clear. I gain absolutely nothing by telling you to go in one direction or another. It's not in my interest to steer you. I actually make my trades quite often even before I've finished creating the videos. So by the time you see the video, my trade has already been executed and concluded. However, a person who is saying that you shouldn't be going for these shiny objects, that you need to be really cautious about them, well, you need to consider their perspective. Because, you see, when Bitcoin first emerged, it was, in essence, a shiny object. Then, after that, when Ethereum and the various altcoins came out, they too were perceived as shiny objects. Later on, when NFTs burst onto the scene, they were very much considered shiny objects. And when artificial intelligence, AI, first emerged, just about 2 years ago, it was definitely seen as a shiny object. And today, it's these AI agents, these sophisticated AI applications, which are currently considered a shiny object by many.